Hey guys, what's going on? Well, today's the day we're headed down. I've posted a little bit about it on my Facebook and my Instagram, but I've been building a project the last couple weeks for a custom home builder. It's a pretty unique project. When he called me and asked me about it, I really tried to point him to somebody else, to be honest with you. But he was pretty adamant that I do it. And I'm thankful for the opportunity. So we're going to head down today. Got to make a few stops on the way, pick up some more supplies. All of our panels are built. There's 97 total. But today's install day. So we'll get down there, get set up, get rolling.